Welcome, everyone. As you know, neural networks are very active right now. Many of you have tried at least one of them, some of you have tried several of them, and some of you use specialized neural networks practically every day. Today we are going to tell you about one of the specialized services bundles that works with AI, namely the set of tools for creating, styling and filling websites and blogs. The first neural network on our list will be the Diagram neural network. Diagram provides AI-based extensions to services called Figma, but we will focus our attention on a tool called Magician. This tool provides several features. The first one is text-to-image. It is a function that helps to generate several image variants and work with them immediately in Figma. As an example, we want to generate a pointer arrow. Just write black 3D arrow. We wait a while and get a few options at our choice. The next function is very similar to the previous one, and in fact it is almost the same. This is text to icon, which also allows you to generate an icon and work with it in Figma by specifying only the input set of icon parameters in the form of text. The last option of this extension is the copywriting function, which will help to generate a small text based on the context that you set. The second and probably the main service in today's video is Durable. This service is designed to create websites using AI. To begin with, the service will offer to choose the theme of our future site. This can be a consulting site, or a site for providing personal training, or any other site on another subject from the extensive list of options. After choosing the topic, you must enter the name for our site, and wait a little while watching the process of generating the home page of our site. After that, you can view and if necessary regenerate some parts of the page or return to it later if needed. Let's regenerate the site description section, for example. Also, the service will offer you to generate the domain of your site. Well, it is worth saying that the service gives us a few tariffs, and these tariffs included in a lot of useful things for further work with the site is a tool for SEO promotion and built-in CRM system and invoicing function. As we have said, it is possible to expand and modify our site in the future. For example, we can edit our homepage header. You can add a link to a social network. Or maybe you want to change the color of your footer. Okay, no problem. Regenerate the page section again or add another section. Okay, let's do that. It is also possible to change the content of the site to add your text and pictures. And of course add new pages with which will help the artificial intelligence of the service. Now that we already have a ready-made website, it's time to worry about filling it. To do this, we can use services for text generation. With one of them we have already introduced you this service, Jasper. You can learn more about it in this video. But today we will talk about one no less cool service for creating text anywhere. Anywhere is a service for creating texts for various purposes. Here are a few examples of how to use it. The first is a call to action. Write the name of the product and its description and get a few options for the text, which calls for a particular action, in our case to the personal training. Next, you can optimize your text. AI will modify and improve your content, making it more readable and of high quality. You can also generate thesis statements for a paragraph or just ask for a hint on a certain topic, and believe me, the answer you get will surprise you with great content. The main advantage of this service is that it generates not just text and more, and SEO optimizes it, predicts how it can be successful for the promotion of your audience, whereas the service offers a free package of 25 words a week to test and explore the possibilities of the service. Now we have a ready-to-use set of tools for creating and filling our site. That's all, thank you for your attention. If you like if our content helped you, comment and subscribe to the channel, it will help our development. See you soon.